Hello, today we will guide you through how to start a test meeting in Zoom. This quick walkthrough is helpful if you want to make sure your audio is working properly before joining an important call. A test meeting in Zoom gives you a simple way to check your setup, especially your speaker and microphone, so you can avoid technical issues once a real meeting begins. To get started, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure the application is fully launched and ready to use before moving on. If Zoom takes a few moments to load, that is completely normal. Waiting for it to open fully helps ensure all of the meeting controls appear correctly. Once Zoom is open, go ahead and open a sample meeting. This test meeting acts like a practice space, allowing you to review your audio setup without the pressure of being in a live meeting with other participants. If you are using Zoom for the first time, this is a great way to get familiar with the interface and see where the main controls are located. After the sample meeting opens, look toward the lower left area of the Zoom meeting window and click on the audio option. This is where Zoom gives you access to sound-related settings during a meeting. Taking a moment here is useful because many common meeting problems, like not hearing others or not being heard, can often be fixed from this menu. Next, click on the option that says Test Speaker and Microphone. This will start Zoom's built-in audio check. First, Zoom will usually play a sound through your selected speaker so you can confirm that audio is coming through clearly. Listen carefully to make sure the volume is comfortable and that the correct speaker or headphones are being used. Then Zoom will guide you through testing your microphone. You may be asked to speak and then listen to a short playback of your voice. This helps confirm that your microphone is picking up sound properly and that your voice is clear. If the playback sounds too quiet or unclear, you may want to adjust your microphone settings within Zoom before joining your actual meeting. Once both tests are complete, you will have a better idea of whether your audio is ready to go. Running through this simple test meeting ahead of time can save you time and help you feel more confident when it is time to join a real Zoom call. That's it for this guide on how to start a test meeting in Zoom.